We'll guide you through how to create Trello automations that can save you time and streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the board where you want to set up automation. Look for the Automation button, usually located at the top of your board, next to the menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Create Command to start setting up your automation. You'll be taken to a new window where you can choose the trigger for your automation. This could be a card moving to a certain list, a due date being set, or a label being added. Once you've selected your trigger, you'll need to specify the action you want Trello to take. This could be moving a card, adding a checklist, or sending a notification. You can also add conditions if you want the automation to happen only under certain circumstances. For example, you can set it to only trigger when a card is moved by a specific team member. Once you've configured your trigger, action, and any conditions, click Save to save your command. It's a good idea to test your automation to make sure it's working as expected. Go back to your board and perform the action that should trigger the automation, and see if it executes correctly. If it doesn't work as planned, you can go back into the automation settings and tweak it. Trello also offers Butler, which is a more advanced automation tool, allowing you to create more complex automations with multiple triggers and actions. Explore Butler if you find yourself needing more robust automation options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.